In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get money fast in Project Smash on Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, there are a lot of characters that you can buy in Project Smash, so it can get quite expensive. So you might be looking into ways to get money fast. Now, while there are some methods that are very fast, usually it just comes down to playing a lot. Sadly, there's no guaranteed way to make easy, fast money, but I'm still gonna go over the main methods that you can use to get a bunch of money. So first, for you to acquire cash, you do have the option to just buy it all together, but assuming that you don't want to spend Robux buying cash or the VIP passes, then the best course of action is to get a character that you are comfortable with. If you use your main character, you will be able to get the most amount of kills possible. So always try to be active and play the character that you are most skilled on. If you want an actual trick to get money, what you can do is find someone who is willing to grind with you. By walking up to them, you can hit them once, which means that now you are tagged and they can hit you once as well. And then all that you have to do afterwards is make sure that either of you just go ahead and reset the character. If you hit them once and they reset their characters, it counts as a kill for you. So you will be able to get the money and the XP from killing one player. And you can repeat this process if you have multiple friends. Keep in mind that this doesn't work on a private server, so if you want to do this method of resetting, you have to join a public server with the people who are willing to grind. If you don't have any friends who are playing Project Smash willing to help you at the moment, you can just ask in chat if someone is willing to grind with you. And then you explain to them how this works, that you let them hit you once and then you reset, and then you do the opposite. By resetting this way, it is going to be a fast way to get kills back to back to back, so you can get a lot of money. But if you are shy or people aren't accepting the proposal to grind, sadly there's not much else that you can do. I recommend that you get whoever you play the best, and then you just try to spam them a bunch and get as many kills as possible. I hope I was able to help you on how to get money fast in Project Smash Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.